Most important thing, you guys got the models and laws really simplified to build into the system. We can set up a company in 15 minutes. The implementation is quite fast for us to get a company up and running.
Hi, my name is Matthew Welford, and I look after the HomeBuilder product, which is part of Sweet Engine's software range. Today I'm here to meet with Albert Chen of Fernbrook Homes. Hey, Albert, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about Fernbrook Homes and your role in the company?
Hi, my name is Albert Chen. I'm the Chief Financial Officer of Fernbrook Homes. Fernbrook Homes has been building homes in Canada over 35 years, and to date we have built about 40,000 homes. And I look after the financial operations of the entire group.
You also did that very fancy building in Mississauga, didn't you? What was that one?
It's Marilyn Monroe, that's what it's called. It actually won the architectural building of North America for that year in the condo development.
Yeah, it looks excellent. I drive past it often. It's a great looking building. Can you give us an overview of what HomeBuilder software is and how you use it at Fernbrook Homes?
Well, HomeBuilder software is a separate module that help us to manage our homes, which includes the models that we build as well as the lots. We also use it for some of the condo developments that we have. It's a tool to help us to track cost on the per lot or per project base. Financially, we're using the Microsoft Dynamics, mostly of their innate function for the financial operation.
Do you have any comments on whether the system has improved your control, saved you any money, made you more efficient as an organization?
In terms of financial management, it's actually more efficient in tracking cost. Obviously, we've also adopted optical character recognition with Continia, which is also part of the Microsoft environment. So there's some automation for accounts payable. In terms of mostly tracking costs, it makes a lot of sense. Having OCR actually saves a lot of time.
Yeah. Thank you. I know that you have quite a few companies in your organization that you look after. How long does it take you on average to set up a new company, a new phase?
To set up a new company, we actually have, as a company, what we did was we set up a certain master template for each type of development that we're doing. So a lot of the parameters and details were already set up. We just leave some of the naming conventions blank so that we can just simply copy the company. And once the database is ready, we just change the company name, change some of the parameters to make sure it's company specific, like bank account information, etc. So generally, it won't take 15 minutes to set up a company.
That is quick. Do you have any feedback or comments from your team members regarding the user friendliness of HomeBuilder?
Prior to looking for a ERP, our company was actually using QuickBooks. QuickBooks is a very easy, very intuitive software. However, it does not provide the reports that we need. It does not quite track the cost in an organized way. So even with the same amount of staff, we were able to adapt the ERP to produce much better reports by leveraging the OCR altogether. It's been a significant improvement in terms of reports and manage the financial. It's a much more dynamic environment that at the end, the management is getting the correct report, and then the staff is not killing themselves just trying to produce the report that the management needs. You guys understood the concept of lots and models very, very well. Certain features of a model is very well laid out, as well as the home purchaser with respect to the specific lot. So we are able to managing the lots and the models a lot better. Secondly, we're looking for a platform that has been constantly updated, has longevity, and obviously it's a cloud-based solution, which put less, IT resources. So it's overall, we believe, is a cost-effective way. We were actually on Microsoft Navision. The old system is similar to the current Business Central. Just from a IT perspective, I think it's important for us to move on to the new platform that's constantly updating. Once Matthew's team did a demo, I actually went back and forth with their team on some of the core functionalities to have it changed and modified so that it become a viable product for us actually to put a live company in it to operate and to figure out any sort of inefficiencies and bugs. There has been numerous updates. So the software has evolved very fairly quickly. So the core software works quite well. Around last year, started doing the Continua project. Today, we feel very, very comfortable with the software.
You know, the home building industry is there for decades,
Mhm.
and the piece of software that they put in, they don't need it to change very much. Whereas we're on a piece of software which we update every month. We look for constant improvements. We look for customer feedback and put that stuff into
Mhm.
the software.
If the technology can help you to reduce or simplify a process, you should change your process. You should
Mm.
change, the business should change their business process.
Albert, I know this Continua project, the OCR, optical character recognition, to automatically create purchase invoices, automatically save them so that you've got the actual physical copies stacked in there. I know when we
Mhm.
started that project some time ago, we had some hope that it would be successful, but it seems to have worked pretty well for you. Could you talk a little bit more about that?
Well, we get a lot of invoices. One way is electronic storage, attaching that specific invoice to that specific accounting entry. It saves a lot of time. It saves people from either scanning or filing them. So we always have the invoice when we need to look up the transaction at our fingertip. Secondly, is it avoids human error in entering the invoices. The most important thing, I think, is alleviate some of the repetitive tasks from our staff so that they can focus on more important things.
What's the percentage of trades that you think, of contractors that you think you can currently read?
We probably can read about 60-70% of our invoices. The vendor amount, everything, the value added taxes, they're all there.
In what ways do you see Fernbrook utilising HomeBuilder in the future to support Fernbrook's evolving needs and objectives?
The main thing is the structure of the software is on the right track. In the future, because all the data is in a very organized way, we like to integrate Power BI so we can build appropriate dashboard for different management positions so that they have real-time data to assess the business health, financial health, etc. What I really liked about our collaboration on this is your team really listens to our software requirements, giving us updates on the improvement that you guys made, and you're able to prioritize and put in the next release. So we're quite happy about that.